The simplest variation for a deadlift with a resistance band is just having a simple loop band. You want to hold it, make sure it's doubled up, so you've got two of the bands basically touching each other. Place it on the ground, step on it, and then with a neutral spine, hinge at the hips and pull through. And this is your basic deadlift movement. So something to keep in mind with the bands. When you're holding them with your hand, you can see as I pull down harder, it curves the fingers. It becomes very uncomfortable. So when you're deadlifting, it can get a little bit more uncomfortable when you get into the bigger bands. So what I would recommend is using something like vector grips, which slide over the band, and they completely eliminate that problem when you hold them. Another option is hooks. So I've got two sized hooks here, and actually this is kind of nice because you can use these for progressive overload. So the bigger the hook, the lower the tension versus the smaller hook, higher tension, and you could just hook this on. And it also lets you hold it at a different angle too. So instead of doing more of a traditional deadlift, you can do more of a neutral grip, which is kind of like a hex bar with these grips and the band. So we talked about the hands a little bit, and another important thing to remember with the deadlift and anything where you're going to be putting a band underneath your feet is a ground plate. And these stabilize the band from having it wrap around your feet and then pull them up. So if I put these grips on, instead of my feet being pushed in like this, the ground plate stabilizes my feet and then keeps them in this position.